Good morning.
Could you take these? Thanks.
I couldn't get this roof plane to select at all, so if you can't select it, you can't fix the roof. So I'm in the all offset with just the roof planes on. I'm going to try to delete them using this tool.
Morning, honey.
Delete objects, and I'm going to go all floors. I want to find roof planes and see if they won't delete that way. See if that works. Oh, good. If you have a roof plane and you can't select it, you're screwed. So that's the first order of business. I'm going to get back to the default set, and we'll use a 1/4 inch scale annotations. I mean, this is not a very difficult roof. Uh, and I don't remember the pitches on the roof plane. Well, no, hang on a second. Let me hit Control Z so I can figure out the pitches. I just didn't look. May have to hit undo again. And undo again. There we go. See, what is that? 6. Okay. All these 6. What's this one? Well, you can't select this one, so you can't even tell what it is. They look like they're all 6. Okay. I'm going to redo. Okay. Now we're just going to do this manually. I'm going to go over to roofs, and they're set to 6. Good. Wanted to check that was true. And we'll draw one gable here, and another one over here. And take that and join into a ridge. I'm not going to worry about the. Isn't that interesting? Now, why did that do that shape manually? That's weird. Hmm. This plan may be corrupt, because that's really odd behavior. Okay, now this one comes about here, and look at that. It automatically broke right there. Is auto rebuild roofs on or something? No. That's really odd behavior. So we should. Well, this roof plane, I can't select it. Now this one I shaped like this, but if I can't fix this one, I can't fix. Good Lord, that is strange. So let me look. Well, this is strange. I wasn't expecting this to happen. Let's see, I need downloads. Well, I downloaded your PDF. I should be here. It doesn't look like it's there. But the point is, okay, now it's gone together by itself. And that's aberrated behavior. That's corrupted behavior because I'm glad that it did, but I didn't do anything to do it other than just delete the roofs and try to start over again. So that's very unusual. You find that PDF again. Yeah, okay, little gable, big gable. Okay. But if I can't get the software to follow my commands, it's kind of difficult to get anything done. See, I need to click on the other icon. We'll draw a little gable here. Let's see if I can salvage this, but I'm beginning to have, second thoughts because it's acting so weird. Okay, now this one here, we need to break it up here. And then form the ridge down here. Like that. Yeah, this is now, why this happened, I don't know. Because I didn't order it to happen. I set it up to happen, but I still can't select this roof plane over the porch, and if I can't select that roof plane, I can't do this. Because I have to take this edge and stretch it this way. Now this roof plane is still compliant. Let me see if I can, we'll just break it as if it was going to follow my orders. It should go something like that. And then you have to be able to, oh, it's selected. Look at that. Now it won't select. Well, for a moment I could select this roof plane right here. I'm clicking on it, but nothing's happened. That one I can, and this one I can. This one I can't. Very weird. You check this deck dialog box. That probably shouldn't be a deck, it should probably be a porch. That's just my opinion. Roof over. When something odd like this happens, you just want to look for settings that are out of place. And this deck has no floor. That's another out point. And let's see, we'll hit this again. See if that brings the floor back. Okay, that brought the floor back. But this I did not do, and this I can't do because I can't select this roof plane. I can select this one. Let me try it again. Okay, it did select with the join roofs tool. Okay, this error message is pretty common. I think I just need to straighten out the other roof plane. This one here. Probably need to take that out like that. I think, oh, object snaps is off. That's crazy. Shouldn't have object snaps off. Now what has worked in the past is I click on this one, hit the join roofs tool, and then I can select the other one. Okay, that worked. But it didn't, it's not joining like it's supposed to. And if I can't get the join roofs tool to work, I would recommend you just ditch this plan and start over. I know you've got a lot of work in it, but you might, okay. So we need to build deck framing to get that back. Yeah, that fixed that. Okay, one thing I'm going to try, Go to a blank plan. No, not layout. Dummy. Yeah, new plan. Got a blank plan. Gonna grab this, edit area, all floors. Now, of course, the defaults are going to be different from one plan to the next. That's when I'm just interested in the roof. So, well, where's the copy command? Okay, hang on. Why is that over there? Oh, that must be a cross section or something. I ought to have a copy. Oh, there it is. There's a copy command. Edit paste hold position. See if it behaves differently. Yeah, when you copy a plan like this, the faults don't match. Okay, probably the cameras didn't copy. Okay. I just wanted to see if I could make this copy work. Because obviously the other plan is kind of corrupted. I draw a plan, we're playing here. Oh, now it comes back when I drew. Okay. I'll use drawing rows over here. That still looks strange. It probably is strange because of, let's see. I'll just save this to my desktop. Let's see if that did any good. See, I was thinking maybe you could use this model. It's kind of stupid looking. Oh, I see. The fascia top is off. Fascia top's 94. You take this one in, drop it to 94. We'll lock the pitch. That's interesting. It changed its pitch by itself. Another more evidence of see, I still got that original roof plane there. I'm covering it up with a new one. But if you can't edit the old one, you know, it's not very worthwhile to have. Select that end. Yeah, right. This may be, in order to get your elevations done, you might have to use a copy like this and just dress up the copy. This wall here ought to repair pretty easily, just doing that. Yeah. Let's go up roof a little bit to cover up that old roof plane. Well, that's strange indeed. Need a looks like we got a problem, yeah, on this roof plane here. It needs to break off right about here. Cause it's sticking into the roof and chopping up the wall. Yeah, there we go. Okay, this is kind of a tough one because you're working with a corrupted plan file. Now, why it's corrupted? That's your fault. Plans get corrupted by improper settings, loose ends, uh, doing things in the wrong order. Now, this is just an attic wall. We should be able to go up here, and there's where that wall should be. You made it invisible for some reason. We'll make it not invisible. Yeah, okay. And it's a problem. The fascia on these roof planes are screwy looking. Maybe there's not. Okay. Maybe the structure tab for this is not set right. I would just check. I would check for things like that because this fascia looks unacceptable. But I spent as much time on this as am willing to, and I was able to patch it together some. But this is far from perfect. You might want to consider is redrawing this plan because this roof plane here you can't even select it, so you can't delete it or do anything with it. Yeah, obviously it must be a different pitch than the pitch I picked at 5. We'll lock this and change it to 6 and see if that covers that up. Yeah, it did sort of, kind of. Then we can join this edge. Just trying to get something done here that you can live with this plan file, because I know you've got a lot of work in it. Yeah, I cleaned up some. So just consider making a copy so you'll have your elevations and use the other one for the plan pages that you've set up. I'm sorry I don't have a better solution, but at least I have the solution. And this you can clean up with the Edit Layout tool. It's not terribly important. Okay? Thanks for watching.